Television, Getembe 102.7 Ekeonga, Kiamwa Mogusi.
Kazi inaendelea.
Dental Clinic nenya gitalie kurubo gwene bwabo asomo chando bwa maino nigo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwato muchando koya sivya komenterwa amaino asebalia agogete nkogwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bochogete enya gitalie nige kurubo kale bwensi aseli goldense kegima mbambwate nsema sabana bakubutera nabo igo kogoserelia obokoreri bwabo no bwabwango nando bwikiranwa wigo ngokora bale scanning chimashini chabo ni chibirongo bigoro nigo bagotoka imejo mucho Kisii asamagacho a Uhuru Building aselirongo lire igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust boigo nabukonyora gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke boigo nabukonyora gwetera ase nchera jesimi wetera ase namba enotisa nebere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose gwetera asina mbende enoti isano nebere isano nemo inye isano nesatu kianda inye eyemo isano nesatu.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutwe. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening, and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu. Sha Ceramics netuka eyeko n'ebintu by'obwagaji au asiligolinse nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo au mbabwate chitangi au nabwo kurose company au locks and accessories mbabwate chichogo se toilets echichire chechingenjo au nabwo n'ebintu bikutumika se a bathroom mbabwate kitchen sinks nabwo ni tap babwate bintu bikokora plumbing au babwate marbles and granites nkona bale MDF boards kona bale deformed bath teaching enjo au babwate bathtubs babwate tiles echichire teaching enjo au konya bale boigo ebintu bunabona wall to wall carpets babwate biro teaching enjo au babwate gypsum pots chisimiti amabati egati ebintu binde binge ebyo bakonya seligolirense nigo bagotuka ase numbere manyakantamu na Cansons Plaza asebara ya Kisii Kisumu imbeyo muchiyiga obusungo asamange naboko bakiresi bigwetera se chinamba cyabo 0703943972.
Mwanjumo ligerali chiaragire Chinsa Inye cheli tukeliga lya lero chili tuko lya chimaina chitariki 12 omotyenyi ogatato mwaka wa 2025 ni kine Ekeonga Chinsa nyasenjera bwikiranu nje nigongoro kwa Haron Ototo nyengiri no tukubata na kuranza mimenyererio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makori na nigatia na kwa regana iri maruga bayalero.
Kwamba hayuko na uhai. Mimi sina nguvu yani sina chochote. Mmeniwachia mtoto mchanga. Nitamlinda vipi?
Yamate yenye kusira kirivu bedendege komwenia mubiro yote yo magayaye kusirira ense ya Ukraine kubwatakana mu n'ekisege cy'ense ya Ukraine amo na Russia.
For the last appearance that the IG had before the committee, he committed that he will be bringing governors that we order him to arrest and bring to us.
Abaseneta nigo bagikeirie abagavana bali batari kunyara kwa bagwikirana ase bikaro byechikamati chie bunge yo na kogosereria kuchikowe mukiriria ebitambukiro ebitindi.
Abakenya komanya industrial skills indi bachikoba involved as production both in the industry, in agriculture and many other sectors.
Abarukiwa nigo bagente kusegetu na kubwata mono chikosi cha magoko echiranya kwa chikwa konya ase obogima bole bosio. No mwanjumo rigereria Ekeonga Chinsa nyeni gotogo chakorwa chinsemo cia satellite body ya Nyamataro usai ward ya Nyakoe ebunge tuchache South county ya Kisii ase amate ya Kirevu bedendege huyo sirete obugima bwaye asense ya Ukraine kubata n'ekisege kikandate kati yanze ya Ukraine abogo ense ya Russia nige amate ulit kuri araranya kabaga kora omwega obene obwoko yebidokie kemanyererio komwenia ase banyaka bagusaba serikali nyaga we kwibwiga Getembetvnews na kwena kibona ngonyora bare omubere bo mwanju abo libanyaka bakomwani korengana huna ebwenerete
kurwasire tari asense ya Russia mubero tuliko nyorokorekana asore so bono yale kabanga numubero ya no tware konywarira insaiga lakini bono koba tutanyinyoreti nitogusaba asaiga Nyasaye aseseni egere wetera muna mwanya bantu nigo togwa kumwakira bono kwa hili.
Saidia mtoto wangu kumuone tu hata angalia sijui hata bali alipo. Nimekaa na vidonda. Na naomba serikali munisaidie mtoto hata nipate hata kenye kitanionyesha kwamba hayuko na uhai. Mimi sina nguvu yani sina chochote. Mmeniwachia mtoto mchanga. Nitamlinda vipi? Naomba kwa serikali watangulizi. Naomba mnisaidie mtoto wangu arudi. Mimi ni mama yake.
Asama leta jetu ya nangu Christopher ndege mageto. Omwana ukirifu no yono yosirete. Iga arwete ga chikwerigeria. Agaje gotema gusinanya ari gotinyu muchione. Ono rende akire kamubera batimba Nyasaye akamoira. Ingo sabe serikali. Omara yitu Ruto tokonye. Surubanu zozoro tokonye. Kibageni ruwari siga igatokonye.
Kwa ufupi niko naomba serikali. Huyu kijana alienda kutafutia familia yake. Familia yake hawana chochote. Huyu ndiye mfanya kaenda kutafuta. Naweza kuomba serikali kama ikiwezekana, maana yake mahali alienda kutafuta. Hata kile kene alienda kutafuta hatujui kiko wapi.
So I'm appealing to the government. So I'm Mr. Ndege Brian. I'm the brother to Cliff Leden Ndege. Mimi ndio nilikuwa namfuata. I'm so disappointed by the government after we have waited for more than 2 months, and then yesterday they said that we are not going to have the body nor any compensation, nothing at all. So this person, he died in vain. So we are appealing to the government of His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, please look into this so that at least his family, more especially the kids he has left behind, the wife, wapate something. I'm happy that once you've looked into this news, tafadhali ujaribu uone venye tunaweza fanya ili angalau familia yake ambaye ameacha ya watoto wadogo na bibi yake wasaidiwe.
na gosemia niko kwenda kuruwa gucia sabari kwa namana bali bare ase chizukuru kunyaka bakurigia masomo ne chisemishe bobundi ngendo kranya kabaka kabakonya amatukale bosyo kubwatakana amano kugani kolikoro ejine chingwana chia omotrineli gosomwalimu munene bwa skuru ya Nyamira National Polytechnic asirieta James Basweti oyo nyara kabaka kwa nayo kurwa se skuru yaye naboigo engana yasegetwa negatia borokigwa kusabara iba borokigwa ime skuru yo munagutumanyia mwaliketo fatika December
tigato chamo toreta abana to the technical institutions basome elinde banyore chigasi
oyo no mworokia omonene bweskuru yubobundi ya Nyamira National Polytechnic asereta James Basweti oyo ogendereire kubwatuka esegeto igoro yobya bukwegera chikosi aho chamaboko egento nonye nabo eserikali enene eyo ekorawa no Moske William Ruto egendrete ko achinguru mono.
And I'm happy to be associated na Nyamira National Poly because as tu anyorete ya rengi na abanafunzi 1600 bona iga tuikire abanafunzi 3850 na ndego iko mutinyo yo gatano nkorenge na twaso goika abana karibu 5000 as a country ebwa the technical and skilled manpower industrialization yakoba rahisi na Kenya we want it to be a first world industrial country eyo era nyarekane wetera asogo train aba Kenya komanya industrial skills in the involved as production both in the industry, in agriculture and many other sectors.
Kukwanira igoro yemeremo maiga ya masomo aya ase chiskuru chebobundi nigo umwarimu oyo iga aene kiribuna emeremo nerororo nonye nase chinse chisiko naboigo chinsemu aho ime yense ya Kenya
naboigo Kenya bono iga we are one of the countries to export labor. We export labor and it is in high demand in many of the European countries and American countries. Idogoroka a program ya Kasi Maju igekurusia aba Kenya gaiga bari baetire through technical institutions bagenda ngumbu bagikora chigazi kirekire highly paying in the industries and also in the agricultural sector and in so many other sectors. And then to realize ringa abana baito akera bakogenda ba train as a tea industry kuna one of the tea industry mbali ko inyagokora kurwara na mwana gokore kosi yaiga igakonyore gas direct.
Eskuru eyiga ya Nyamira National Polytechnic ere na borokiwa gwetania chiribu isato nechimya isama isato nigo korwa ensemo ya borokiwa anene abarai beskuru eyiga babwatukire engwana eye kubwatikana na masomo ayo babiri bakonyora korwa eskuru eyiga ya Nyamira National Polytechnic.
The relationship between the administration and the students iko sawa because the grievances wanafunzi wanatoa kutoka huko chini zinasikizwa. Let me talk about the modularized situation. We had a lot of challenges back then, but after the administration come in tumongeleshwa, the students wali understand even if the fee it was high. Right now we thank the government actually because modularized masomo imesharudishwa chini school fees, so it is affordable.
From my side, joining a polytechnic is more important, especially joining the Nyamira National Polytechnic gives you the skills that can make you compete with other students who have come out of different schools, either universities or other polytechnics.
Kingo reporter Getembe kuraiga se wodi ya Itibo eye gotoka imeye bunge ya North Mogirange County ya Nyamira Inje Fatigad Yesemba
Omo seneta we county ya Nyamira omo sike Eriki Okongo omogeni nigaikirie amonchireri gosenigabu aruru kugania ime bunge ya senate amonchireri akorerwa omoswada abobo cheno maikatuna amendment gose amendment bill asanya kwa kuboria omonchireri akorekanwa kubwatakana amo negatie nyagitari chigotanga abarwaire nabo igo gose amate habarwaire nyagitari chinga kibanya kwa bako nyaraka bako nyara obobwenya gose bagosiria magimabo kolengana no mugeni nigegenteke kore mari chiamate chiri chikurwa ase chiamate chitenya reti gose chokanyara wense na nigaboririe egetambukire kikenyara kaba gose amonjuri nyaka ba korekana elio ayamate yokonyara wense nyara kaba gekwegerero.
The amendment, Mr. Speaker, proposes to amend the Health Act 2025, Mr. Speaker, by inserting a new section 7A to address a number of issues affecting those who are not able to pay medical bills that are incurred in our public hospitals and in some cases in our private hospitals. Mr. Speaker, I am sure that all of us senators from our respective counties, we have had instances, Mr. Speaker, where those we refer to as hustlers, those who are not well endowed financially, get attended to in hospitals, they incur medical bills, Mr. Speaker, but because they don't have the economic means, Mr. Speaker, they end up not paying their medical bills, either in public hospitals, Mr. Speaker, or in private hospitals. And Mr. Speaker, what has been happening, which is very unfortunate, Mr. Speaker, is that hospitals have resorted to recovering their debts by either detaining patients, in some instances, detaining mothers and their young children in hospital as a way of holding them in lien till their debt is paid. So, Mr. Speaker, the proposal on the table through this amendment is to outlaw any detention of a patient or a corpse due to an outstanding fee incurred in relation to any treatment offered in a health facility. And Mr. Speaker, to make that proposed amendment effective, Section 7A, subsection 2, Mr. Speaker, proposes that anybody who is in charge of a health facility who contravenes that section that outlaws detention commits an offense. And thirdly, Mr. Speaker, so that we have a buy-in from the government, Mr. Speaker, I've proposed in clause 3 that the Cabinet Secretary responsible for health issues will make regulations on the enforcement of this proposed amendment.
Na haba seneta boigo nigo banyaka bakomochia igatia bagabana habatraba bagwikirana bosio obwe bunge ya senate chingaki baganigirie andamono ne chikamati chia bunge yo ya senate bakwana litukulia lero nigo banyaka bakoboria igitambukire gitiniko mukirigwa igatia bagabana bo babere batari gwikirana ase ebikaro bye chikamati chia senate.
Made it abundantly clear in this house, Mr. Speaker, that appearance before this house is not a buffet that you cherry pick, that I want to take this one, I will leave this other committee, that governors must appear before this particular house. Now that certain governors have chosen, Mr. Speaker, because we must set it on record, that there are governors that have gone ahead and appeared before County Public and Accounts Committee, but there are those that have seen the perfect opportunity to dodge responsibility of responding to how they have utilized resources, Mr. Speaker. I want to request, Mr. Speaker, and this be the position of all of us collectively, Mr. Speaker. I am aware, because I have consulted with the chairperson of the County Public Accounts Committee and their membership, that the County Public Accounts Committee will proceed and confirm the findings of the Auditor General on those counties, Mr. Speaker. Because if you have failed to come to respond, then it means you are guilty, you have accepted the verdict, Mr. Speaker, all that is left for us, because on Tuesday, the 31st of March, 2026, God willing, Mr. Speaker, shall be a special day in this House. We shall be passing the findings of the County Public Accounts Committee on the utilization of resources for last financial year by county governors. Those that have come before Public Accounts Committee and presented their responses, Mr. Speaker, will get a fair hearing. If you choose to waive the right to appear, Mr. Speaker, then it means you agree with the Auditor General, and therefore what will be left of us is to follow the findings of the Public Accounts Committee, which is to direct that EACC recovers the money, DCI arrests those that have disappeared with public resources, Mr. Speaker, and we move on to the next financial year.
These governors, and I am happy that we had a meeting today. Mr. Speaker, I want to report to this House that because the last appearance that the IG had before the committee, he committed that he will be bringing governors that we order him to arrest and bring to us. That we have decided, Mr. Speaker, that on Thursday of next week, the governor of Samburu be brought before the committee in chains to answer, Mr. Speaker, to audit queries. And Mr. Speaker, the IG should know that this is not a request. This is a directive. It's an agreement that we had with him. And committees of parliament, Mr. Speaker, don't pronounce themselves in vain. So, Mr. Speaker, once the IG receives that official communication, I expect that the governor of Samburu will appear in chains on Thursday to answer to audit queries.
And allowed them to drive around in sirens. We allowed them a retinue of police officers as escorts. We created the African man syndrome in them. And therefore, this proposal by the leader of the majority should be accompanied by exercising Article 225 of the Constitution on financial control that allows us to stop 50% of the funds due to the defiant governors. Mr. Speaker, I was surprised that the person reading that statement was the governor of Kakamega.
Mancho mo tigerelie gwikira buni gatoka na mutima kwa makego tukira na kwa tokendera na magana maiya Ekeonga Chinsa Inye gotoskocha.
Muna inchira yokwenekia teneni igati yichira chiria aliete umusike Simba arati nigo akubarigania mwensi gwikirana asumuyiga bw'amasabo y'ukwarigania ibiragita ibyo birachikorosi ya jibara chonsi chirime county ya Kisii Jumatano yigitariki 13 umutinyi ugatatu umwakoyo asigitie kenene kegusi stadium inchu mwensi tusire amagendero isi yoburaibuaye umugavana umusike Simba arati timwiba umuyegoyo noguchire eyemo asiyemo gwetera Getembe Television Getembe FM 102.7 Ekeonga Kiamwamogusi
kazi inaendelea.
Sha Ceramics Network iyweko n'ibintu by'ubwagaji au asiligolinse nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo au mbabwate chitangi au na bwo kurose chi company au locks and accessories mbabwate chichogo se toilets echichire chechingenjo au na bwo n'ibintu bigutumika se a bathroom mbabwate chi kitchen sinks na bwo ni chi tap babwate bintu bigukora plumbing au babwate marbles and granites nkonya bale MDF boards konya bale deformed bath teaching enjo au babwate bathtubs babwate tiles echichire teaching enjo au konya bale boigo ebintu bunabono wall to wall carpets babwate biro teaching enjo au babwate gypsum pots chisimiti amabati egati ebintu binde bingi ebyo bakonya serikolirense nigo bagutuka ase nyombere manyakanta muna Cansons Plaza ase bara ya Kisii Kisumu imbeyo muchujuiga obusungu asamange naboko bakirisi bigwetera se kinamba cyabo 0703943972. Dental Clinic nenya gitalie kurubo gwene bwabo asomo chando bwa maino nigo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwato muchando koya sivya komenterwa amaino asebalia agogete nkokwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bochogete enya gitalie nige kurubo kale bwo bwensi asedi golidense kegima mbabwatense masa bana bakubutera nabo igokogosereria obokoreri bwabo no bwabwango nendo bwikiranwa wigo ngokora bale scanning chimashini chabo ni chibirongo bigoro nigo bagotoka imeyo mucyo Kisii asamagacho a Uhuru Building aselirongo liri igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust wigo nabokonyora gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke wigo nabokonyora gwetera ase nchera yesimi wetera ase namba enotisa nebere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose gwetera ase nambende enoti isano nebere isano nemo inye isano nesatu kianda inye eyemo isano nesatu.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutwe. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening, and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu.
Mwanchumo ligari karibu asansemo ya kabire Ekeonga Chinsa Inye omwarakiwa obwe sukuru ya Bwan University ase Eliet gose oyoro mwaka omutangani ase university ejo niganyara kabaga gwesokya nakobolia anyara kabaga gosirwe kogandria amasomo abo osama somaya baraki onyali oyo tato mwabo abwato balmabwa maiso nyamata itari konyara bujaigo nigo agota abuna tanyarati ogosirwa nigo amasoma yaranyara kabaga guturbana na niga nyare koba gakobolia anyara koba gusirwa hinya gokirania eganga yaya yokoba omonyagitari baraki onyari oyo korwa ase ebunge ya gosase location ya bigege egwodi ya osomale bunge ya West Murange County Nyamira niga bolia bara ibonsi gwesokya na komubwata koboko
Tangoro kubaraki tengo nyari seitelo basama no mwanafunzi Upwani University first year na nakora nursing ase familia ane akini irobo taka nato minda aro muko mamu mintone chikonda akora recently no day school singenjoye hostlago chiba school ane lente nyomba abana igete school komena na mu Islamu akarambe kamwae ono singenjonta bwato bweso wakane lent ndagera ante bona si kile tingonya kabela naye kandigeli umuntu ka school ngachaka
ile tengo rukwa nyari umuyenga enka busamaro muruga aso umaine njeno muko in timbuati gosio na nyuma ose kamali timbuati bolemo aso umaine no mbona ingo zabanyasa oyo bwata amabira ali akondorera arorero umwana oyo gatyankonye umwana era kibongo kote
ase eskuru omba semester 8 kero mwaka ngwa kana 50,000 ekere serikali yanga kaniri igo timbwati nyomba ase nkobera kendo yonse timbwati kina achira asimori onde bwensi ode rukonkonye nabonku appreciate timbwati kendo yonse no ne nyomba timbwati asenda amenya onde bwensi ola cha mutu yana nkonye anda nkonye ne space yesu kubanga kanere nabongo tebambu ya mono na saa musisi kyangida secondary school muyuli one school wata na management ye school ya chite karora my status kyanga actually tunga kanitino ane siringe school nabona somete without paying anything paka buna na kole school ko kyanginda buna ne tete nya saa ka basa oyo mo bali ba etete njenga yanda school university sabalai baito his excellency Amos Nyarigo gavana senator Kongo Mogeni seito koruga kyaso wanya kwa so nyuwete na achira sikote Steve Mwaka mheshimiwa na achira subusubwa onkolera Maelia MCA Charles Kiganda Hilda Lojas Mutulia Lepa Yual Kosororande Diklak Oyagi Mano mintokuru seito Mumbai mangana ya asola ebu kingolerande areli asemo chamole mole monyi bebirero byane indengira ni school ngende gosoma nje mampimbo enda ko bomuntu mana
na mwanjomo ligerele chingaki omurai bwense musike William Samuel Ruto achakete etaro yaye yamangendra se Chinsa cha Western tukuligoro iyo nyaka bakagandira tukulia lero niwe gatia barai korwa se Chinsa mechi barekana kumwakire koko nabo igogotogia mirobeli yaye yamangendra nakabolia nyaka bakagosirwa nakoegwa libaga dia kabere kugandira kura enzi ya Kenya sobo chole bonne bo mwaka bochirwe na 2025 nebere
wangapi wanaunga rais wetu. So kila kitu ni free. Usiwa na ndefu kama yangu na hauna ID. Kama hauna ID, wewe utakuwa adui ya jamhuri yetu. Utakuwa adui ya mjukuu wetu huyu. Na vile anatupenda, mkiangalia anakaa namna gani? Ako sawa, iko sawa. Wangapi wanasema ako sawa?
Watu wa Bungoma, Mheshimiwa Rais wameamua wale ambao wanapingana na wewe, wale ambao wanatafuta kiti yako ya urais, hiyo kiti ya urais mwaka ujao ya William Ruto, au wakitaka ufalme watafute ufalme ya mbinguni. Nyenye watu ya Mount Elgon, kabla nifike hapa, kuna watu waliniambia ati nyenye siku hizi mmehama kwangu, ati mmeenda kwa mtalii ule ambaye ametoka Nairobi. Bado muko na mimi ama mmehama? Muko na mimi? Hii kiti ya gavana mimi natosha ama sitoshi? Wale ambao wananidharau ati niko na kilo kidogo, tutawatembeza asubuhi na mapema. Hawa watu waende wasiende? Watembee wasitembee? Nione kusema ile watu watembee.
Kufika 2027 Mungu ampatie maisha mazuri, tumpigie kura aweze kuchukua tutamu yake bila kushurutishwa na mtu yoyote. Na hili nataka kuambia wale wangwana wako upinzani kwamba wengi wao walikuwa kwa serikali zilizopita, lakini hawakukuwa na chochote ambacho walitufanyia. So they have no reason to start lecturing us. Shida ambazo William Ruto anatatua sasa sililetwa na hawa wangwana. So watu wa Kenya, muwe macho kwamba the only person who will fix the problems that we have in this country is none other than His Excellency William Samoei Ruto.
Rais alitoa amri kwamba
kupata kipande.
Chinga kichecho murai wenza muskewria mruto nikanya kwa kwanira igoro ja Ototo karmuganta ko enekwa senyagitari ya Nairobi Hospital asanya kwa kana kemna serikali tiriko jogonyaga wikaransa na kurigereria Ototo kana baganta ko koleka ngendera basakoirira kwesalia obokoreria ase gosegoturania okoreria ase enyagitari yo omuskeruto nigaera kemna nigatia enyagitari kurwa senyagitari yo bamurigetie na komweranya kaba wesana nigati eligotoria enyagitari yo.
Let me say from here in Mount Elgon, as President in the Republic of Kenya, as patron of Nairobi Hospital, senior doctors, senior professionals from Nairobi hospitals approached me to save Nairobi Hospital from conmen, from fraudsters, and from charlatans who wanted to expropriate Nairobi Hospital. And I want to say, for the avoidance of doubt, nataka niwaambie wa Kenya, Nairobi Hospital is a premier medical institution hospital in the Republic of Kenya. In fact, it serves the region. There is no way I am going to allow Nairobi Hospital to be taken over, taken hostage by charlatans, by conmen, by fraudsters. That is why I have instructed with clarity that all those who are involved in fraudulent activities in Nairobi Hospital will be removed. They will be taken to court. They will be charged. And Nairobi Hospital is going to serve the people of Kenya. I want to tell the brainless opposition, find something else to do. Wachana na Nairobi Hospital. Nyinyi hamujui chochote, akili yenu iko chini sana. Sio kama tunaelewana bwana. Sasa mnaenda kukimbia maneno ya Nairobi Hospital hata hamujui nini inaendelea. Sikizeni madaktari wa Nairobi Hospital watawaeleza, wacheni upuzi. Ama namna gani my friends? Sijui kama tunaelewana. Unajua wale watu those brainless opposition, they are just coming.
Manjumo ligarali wekrabona tokolera mwana maye Ekeonga Chinsa nyali tukeliga lialero chirigo korkwaro ni Ototo nyangiri korwa senzema imanyerio niga korkwa Wilson Makoli nabo ikoronsa man transmission niga korkwa reja tsatiko seke vinyongeri ganda gotwara bulgiryo boya mya Getembe TV konkia mamusi oigotwara gotukowe.
Kila nafsi na ita
Wichanire kuraria huguko kwa ya Simon Angwenye Micheka migare umwana wanyagosira mugaka Musa Micheka no mongina Catherine Kwambuka na baigo nigare umwana w'umongina Alice Kemuma no mugaka bo Helen Nyamoita ntatu umwabo Jefta Binyanya Cyrus Onyego Tiberius Ondieki Catherine Kwambuka abachukurwa engamona Malka Nyamoita nigare mumro mwabo umwenga Kingi Alois Macarius Matara Mboto George Postina Victoria Pamela Nyagosira Birundu Nyagosira Masisi Nyagosira David Nyagosira Mweskumabo Ann Nyagosira Isamoke Gochiase David Susan Nyagosira Isamoke Gochiase David Susan Sara Alema Boy Kuka Elek Dan Naomi